Wow, we're here in the 3M booth at the SEMA Show 2018. We've got the C-28 here. It's been a great project, a lot of fun to build. Working with the guys at the shop and getting this truck done, finished, and here at the booth is quite an honor, because to be associated with a company like 3M is truly an honor. I've been working with 3M's products for over 40 years, and through innovation and technology, they get better and better and better and allow us to do our work. I found this truck basically 11 months ago. I bought it, and it was the truck. I had been looking for this vehicle for about 3.5 years because I had an engine that I wanted to put in a truck like this, and the motor is actually a 67 Z28 Camaro motor that there were very few of them made. And when I found the motor, I thought, you know, I need to find a Camaro to put this motor in and have a real Z28. But then I thought, wow, what if we put it in a C-10 and actually build a truck that looks like GM could have built this truck in 1967 as a sport truck option, and did it using all the Camaro parts. So we built the Camaro bumpers, which are 14.5 inches wider than a stock Camaro bumper. Had to reshape both ends, both front and rear. We used the Camaro mirrors, and then we used the Camaro houndstooth interior and themed it just as if GM had built a C-28 C-10, and tried to make it look like it's not modified, it's not customized. This is what you could have bought from the dealership. But bringing it to SEMA, I couldn't have rally wheels on it because Foose wheels, and also working with Pirelli tires, we put a set of wheels and tires on it. So this is representing what you could have bought in 1967, but then put some wheels on it and bring it to SEMA. You know, it's strange when you build a project and there's always one little detail that stands out to you. My favorite little detail on this whole project is not just when you open the hood and look at what looks like a brand new 67 Z28 Camaro sitting in the engine compartment, but it's the badge on the fender. And what I wanted was something that looked like a factory badge. I found the C from a 1974 GMC hood emblem. Took the C off of that, added the red-orange color into it, and then used the slash in the 28 from the rear panel of a 69 Z28. Cut the Z out, put the C in there, used 3M panel bond on the backside and made the emblems flat, sanded them flat, used 3M double-sided tape, stuck them on there. It looks factory. You know, if I were to say anything more, it would just be a huge thank you to all the people that helped me. 3M, we got Pirelli tires, everybody that helps at the shop, you know, Lincoln Electric, and you know, all the guys, number one. Everybody that helped me to get this truck finished. Alfredo helped me with the interior, and you know, it's just, I can't do it on my own. Foose represents a team of guys that what we're trying to do is build the best rolling art that we can possibly build. And normally, we're building things that are one-off, that you've never seen before, full custom, but this looks stock. It looks so simple, but that's the elegance of it. And I'm so proud to be able to have this in the 3M booth and to be able to call it mine. So whether I keep it or sell it, that's the mystery. But for right now, I'm just gonna be the proud owner.